Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I've made peanut coconut chutney. This peanut chutney is so pleasing to the eye. In the same way it tastes delicious. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 cup of peanut. And roast the peanut for 4 to 5 minutes in low to medium flame. Here I am adding 7 dry red chilies. I have taken 7 Kashmiri dry chili, but any dry chili is fine, but adjust the spice accordingly. Roast it for few minutes. Now I am adding half cup of fresh coconut. Roast it till it turns into light brown color. Now it is perfectly roasted and you will get a good aroma. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down. In a mixer with roasted nuts and coconut, add 1 big garlic and 1 small lemon sized tamarind and add 1 cup of water and grind it well. I have made a fine paste, but you can make it thick or thin chutney according to your taste. For seasoning you need 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and 1 teaspoon of split chickpeas or chana dal. When the chana dal turns into light brown color, add curry leaves. I have recently uploaded Rava Kesari and French toast, spicy and sweet version. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching.